All right, it's 7:35 in the morning here in Warrensburg. This is what it looks like out here. Look at that sheet, just a sheet of pure ice covering the streets. Don't want to walk over there. Look at that. That's my driveway. So it iced all last night. It rained on top of the ice, and then more sleet came down. Here's the sidewalk, my porch. The icicles on the bushes and on the trees. So a legitimate ice storm for sure. The university's closed. Schools are closed, as they should be. My wife doesn't have to go in because the roads are so bad. And I'm telling you, look at this. Okay, I hear a snowplow. Yeah, that's a snowplow coming. There it is up there. I just saw the light flash. All right, but I don't know what you can plow. This is just pure ice here. Maybe we can drop some salt down there. That's what it's gonna do. Okay, hey, let me get back in here. It is cold out here. Let me find out from Alexa how cold it is. Alexa, what is the temperature? Alexa says 23 degrees. All right, 23 degrees.
I can't help with timing or logging pumpkins.
Alexa, what is the current temperature?
Right now, it's 23 degrees. Today, expect a high of 23 degrees.
Okay. So it's going to be, this is the high. Alexa, what is the expected low in temperature in Warrensburg?
Today, expect a low of 5 degrees.
Expect a low of 5 degrees. It is cold out here. Okay. That's what's going on right now. 7:37 in the morning. All right. This is Thursday, February the 7th, 2019. Peace out.